Thank you.
Thank you all for attending this color therapy class. Definitely tomorrow don't miss this class, and if you are want to join your friends and relatives, so one more day is there. So before tomorrow evening 7:30, so I welcome you to join this color therapy with your friends and relatives. Definitely it is one of the best workshop in your life, and we will give you 100 of protocols for all the organs, physical and mentally, and that will works within few hours, few minutes sometimes. The frequency of mobiles, satellites, microwave, radio waves, your visible rays frequency is very high. It's about 10 to the power of 14 hertz. It's a very high frequency. Based on this high frequency, we are using correlating to the different colors to the different part of the body. And these colors, it's not only works physical, even it works emotional level. You can come out of the anxiety, fear, depression, OCD, and many more different emotional illness just by using the colors. And it's a quite effective. Few times we get the results within few minutes. We've seen in clinical practice, many people are getting astonished results within few minutes. We can cure many more acute and chronic diseases. Even sometimes you can vanish the pain within few minutes, and you can stop bleeding, motions or urinations. If it is more, within few minutes you can stop it. Good evening, everyone. This is Basavaraj from Basavaiku Academy. I'm a healer. I'm practicing since 15 years in Bangalore. So we are practicing the various method of alternate medicines, out of which today we are discussing about the color therapy. So color therapy will be the part of vibrational medicine. So what are all different ancient methodologies are there? It may be acupuncture, acupressure, sound healing, color therapy. All these medicines comes under one category. It's called vibrational medicine. So let's discuss what is this vibrational medicine. How can we use this vibrational medicine alternate to the mainstream medicine? Okay. So let's look into this. I hope the website is visible to you. So anything in the universe you take, it vibrates in its own frequency. So even your body cells, your thoughts, and your gadgets, everything has its own energy levels. So PPT is visible. So here you should understand the vibration of the body. Then only you can heal the body. So how can we understand in different angle? Because if you take the modern science medicine, which has very clarity, which is going with cellular level, chemical levels, we study a lot of biochemicals and hormones. Similarly, the vibrational medicine is the one which understands the vibration of the body and vibration of the different tissues and different organs. Definitely, our ancestors are given age-old treatment methods called color therapy, acupressure, and acupuncture, and many more things. So all these things works with vibrations only. The vibration of the body is represented in the form of reflexology, meridian system, chakra system, and many more. So in that we are using few particular treatment modalities. One of that is colors. So it's a light. So and we are using this visible light. So all of you know that that visible light is the one which is which can see, and we are using 7 different colors Vibgire. Along with that, we also use black, white, pink, and many more. These colors has particular effect on human body depending upon this vibration, because each color it has different vibrations. We call it as a frequency, and each color it's a different wavelength. So different wavelength and different color will give you the different effect. So that we use on the reflex of the body. So the frequencies varies from 430 to 750 terahertz. That is a violet to red color. So this is we normally call it as a Vibgire. So these VIBGOA color we are extracting from the electromagnetic spectrum. So we all know that we are using MRI scanning, X-rays, and UV rays, laser rays. All is a part of electromagnetic spectrum's waves which we are receiving from the sun. Even your mobile and satellites and many more different electronic communication gadgets, they are using this radio frequency waves. If you compare to the frequency of mobile, satellites, microwave, and radio waves, your visible rays frequency is very high. It's about 10 to the power of 14 hertz. It's a very high frequency. Based on this high frequency, we are using correlating to the different colors to the different part of the body. And these colors, it's not only works physical, even it works emotional level. You can come out of the anxiety, fear, depression, OCD, and many more different emotional illness just by using the colors. And it's a quite effective. Few times we get the results within few minutes. We've seen in clinical practice, many people are getting astonished results within few minutes. So that we are discussing and correlating to the 10 elements. We know all of you in traditional Chinese medicine and Ayurveda, we know 5 elements. Ether or Akash or wood element, Vayu, or it's also called in metal in Chinese medicine. Agni means fire, and water means Jala, and Prithvi means earth. These 4 elements, which is responsible for physical transformation, which is responsible physical existence. Similarly, in this color therapy, we are using another 5 different elements. It's called time, direction, mind, soul, and zero. These 5 are it's invisible, metaphysical elements, but you can experience it. You can see the experience of the time. You can see the variations, metabolic reactions of the direction. It's a biological clock variations. So all these 5 metaphysical elements, which is not visible to human eyes, but you can see the effect of it. But first 5 elements which we discuss about space, air, fire, water, and earth, it's a completely visible, which you can touch, you can feel. Each element has its own energy, its own characteristics. You should understand first, because in ancient healing methodologies, we first believe that any illness of the body or mind, which is because of imbalance of 5 elements, the imbalance of 5 energies in the body, that is called space, which is responsible for flexibility. Vayu, which is responsible for momentum. Fire, which is responsible for transformation. Water, which is responsible for emotional variations and cooling the body. Earth, which is responsible for bones, stamina, stability, and structure of the body. Each, if you are able to understand how each element behaves in your body, physically, emotionally, intellectually, and spiritually, then definitely you can give wonderful results to the patients just by applying the color pens. Okay. So we are using different colors and different elements. We'll discuss one by one. So based on that, I will give you a complete overview of these colors. In that, we always start with silence, with zero. And the color which indicates is black. So I will tell you how it works. Totally 10 colors are allocated to 10 different fingers. 0, right hand thumb, then it is indicated with black color. Then elements of the color starts with violet, Vib Gayar. The first color is violet. How this colors is allocated based on density, which is very lowest density element is allocated with the highest frequency of the vibration. Out of VIB-GYR, violet is the highest frequency and the lowest wavelength. Definitely, which element has a very low weight, it has absorbing the low wavelength element, low wavelength vibrations. So in that, the first color is violet, and this violet color we normally allocate to the akash or space or ether or emptiness, which is very lightweight, which almost negligible weight, and which is having highest flexibility and lowest frequency, lowest friction. Compared to ether or space, the air is a little denser. Then we are allocating next color in VIB-GYR. B is indicated with next one. We are using VIB-GYR. So violet is the lowest frequency we are using for space. Then indigo we are using for Vayu. In English it is called air element. In Chinese it is called metal element. Air is a very light density compared to Agni or compared to space. Then blue is indicated with fire. Then green is indicated with little more density than fire is water. Than water, next another density element is Prithvi, means earth element, is the highest density. It is allocated with yellow. See, this is 5 physical elements which is allocated with VIB-GYR 5. The last 2 we are allocating to the metaphysical elements. The orange we are allocating to time, and red we are allocating to direction. Totally we are using 7 colors which is available in the rainbow. So then the 9th color we are using pink. Pink we are normally using for mind. Then black we are using for zero, and white we are using for soul. Totally 10 colors we use. So out of 10 color, they will start discuss with 0. Clear?